Don't be surprised when you go from depending on a paycheck to making it on the Forbes list. The thing about God is 1 ounce of obedience will do more for you than all the prayer in the world. God's got his hand on your life. You have extreme favor, but it requires your yes. You know how you get your yes? You stop focusing on everyone around you, thinking you need their support to get you where you need to go. Stop complaining about not fitting or being invited to certain tables and build your own. The Bible says if you build it, they will come. But you got to get out of your fear. Fear will paralyze you. So this week, it's bigger. Go big or go home. Do it. Do it scared. Do it with your knees knocking. This is your week of miracles on miracles. I love you.